this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Christmas memories with Miranda and Lisa, and there's my cut file from Paige Evans. Off camera, I went and backed the whole cut file with the different colors from Bella Boulevard, which is the Santa Came to Town. It's an older collection that I have gotten. I think it was one of those... I think it was from, is it Peachy Deals or something like that? It's the email where you get like on a daily basis for 6 days a week, and they have deals or whatever on there and you can order them. And that's what I got this from. So I backed everything and I found this layout to match. And the theme today is baking. So we bake on around Christmas Eve. I would say probably 2 or 3 days prior to that. We make our Santa cookies, which is just sugar cookies, but to Kaylin, they're Santa cookies. They are the ones that get placed out for Santa Claus to eat when he comes to the house. And so I'm just backing up the cut file with some foam so I can have some dimension. And it really is easy to do. This, the only thing that took the longest was backing it, and I just did it while I was watching Mission Impossible. My husband and I rented it, and we watched it because tonight, while I'm doing this voiceover for this Saturday video, I found that I got the official word that I graduated from college tonight or today, and so I watched the ceremony, and my name was called, and all that kind of stuff. So now I'm considered a college graduate times 2, because this is my second go around. I've already done it once and now I'm doing it for the second time. I'm telling you, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know why I keep going, but now my brain's thinking, why don't you just go one step further? Let's get your master's. So let's see what happens. I may take a year off. I'm looking at taking a year off, to be honest. But I'm backing this with one layer of the paper and then one layer of tissue paper, and then that's all the layering I do. I do back the photo of my daughter eating the Christmas cookies, the mix. She always does. I honestly, y'all can preach. It ain't gonna happen. I don't care. My daughter absolutely loves eating the raw dough. I don't care. She eats it. We haven't died. I haven't died. So she eats the whisk. And that is number 1. And then the second one is her cookies. I got out this stencil. It's my second go-to stencil. And I'm just taking out, putting on the glitz, and just making some like little blurps of glitter around the page, because with putting on the glitz, it turns it clear and it intensifies that blue. And that's what I wanted. I just wanted that blue to pop out, because I have all these other colors. All these other colors are on there, but that blue is only on my flower. And so I dried, and here I'm back, and I placed this stocking a little bit off to the side. I thought it worked perfectly for the cookies. I know it is a stocking stuffed full of stuff, but it's kind of like that baking style where you just bake and bake and bake and have tons of items. And then I am gluing it down. I did get out some thread, and I did some blue thread just to add a little extra pizzazz to my layout. And I make it pretty simple. A lot of the layouts that I've been trying to do, at least in my December daily, or like December documented, I should say, is a little bit thinner, not too bulky, because I want to be able to fit at least 2 years in each 12 by 12 album that I use, because like I said, I'm just going to grow to do the 12 by 12 layouts instead of like the book. So I do not back dimensions on the cookie one, but I do on the picture of my daughter eating the cookie dough. of the sugar cookies. And I place a little bit more thread right there, and then I place that. I place that photo right there, and now I get out Snow and Cocoa and Fa La La, take a few things there, and then I happen to find Pebbles also matches this collection pretty well, because I went and looked through my stuff and searched through my stuff. I thought I had the Bella Boulevard's stuff, like ephemera pack to this, but I guess I didn't. So I had to find other colors or other collections that would match these colors, and those are the two, actually the three, that actually works out perfect. So my title for this one is Baking Spirits Bright, and you'll see there I found it. It's a piece from Pebbles, and I'm just pulling out like cupcakes, and then there's an elf that's baking, and the gingerbreads, and some more of the trees, because I thought the Christmas trees would work perfect, because it's around, you know, the holidays. And there's a candy cane. And then I pretty much embellish the rest of this, and then I get out 2 different colors of sequence mixes as well. And that's pretty much the layout. I mean, it went pretty quick. And then I also did do splatters too, of course. And I hope you're enjoying this. Make sure that you go over and check out Lisa's channel as well. She had an issue with her video for today, or well, it would have been Friday's video. So yesterday's video, because you'll see this up on Saturday. She is going to try to figure out what happened and get that posted. Otherwise, should be back today with her layout. If not, it will be coming up. She's trying to figure out what happened, because she films and then records and then does her voiceovers and stuff on the same SD card. And for some reason, she can't find her stuff. She had it all ready to go, and it was uploading, and then something happened. I am also, just to let you guys know, I am a little over, I think I've got I'm at 52 subscribers that I need before the 31st of December. So I'm hoping that I can get that, so that I can be able to give you guys my amazing 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And I hope that we can get there. So if you have not subscribed to my channel or Lisa's channel, make sure you subscribe to both of ours, along with hitting that notification button, so that you guys can see all of the rest of the layouts for this. This one was fun to do, and it was really easy. Like I said, the only hard part of this whole layout was back in the cut file. But even then, it wasn't even too bad, because most of the pieces were pretty big. And I just did it during a movie, so it worked out perfect. So here are the sequence mixes. The 2 sequence mixes that I do use is Sparkly Effervescence and then Hexafrost. And those are the 2 that I'm using. So I'm going to leave you with that. You'll see me do my splatters and my journaling. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.